So we're gonna go for our first ride here.
Is this on?
Beautiful day. First real day at the RTR. Last night got in just before sundown, so didn't really get to see a whole lot. Didn't talk to a whole lot of people and met my friends here from Canada. So I'm gonna go out do a little exploring. Hopefully not get Tim in any too much hairy situations. Look at this, guys. Looks like an old, like a 32 Ford. What do you think that is, like a 32 Ford?
I think it's a 31 and a half.
31 and a half, Brent says. Yeah. You know, it threw me off because the floorboards were out. If the floorboards were in it, I'd be able to tell.
Yeah, I totally agree. I can only tell because of the hinges they use.
Look how big these cactuses are.
I know.
They're almost as big as my... You take them this way and I'll see where this goes. It probably meets together.
Sure.
If not, I'll meet you right over there. This is good. This is good for him.
Yeah. It might be.
You know, it's not too technical, but enough to where he's going to stretch his limits, you know? You okay?
Oh yeah. I came through the bush.
Oh, you went through the bush? One, two, three.
Yep.
I don't think you'll have enough room there. You in neutral, you think?
Not yet.
Oh, okay, yeah, that's good.
With this fucking thing on here, I can't get my hand.
Right, right.
Oh, I guess I can wiggle it up and get my hand under there. Thank you. Gonna be flooded.
There you go. Hold it wide open. Whatever way you feel comfortable, it goes to the right, to the left or the right.
Okay, all right.
Look at this thing. Might be from the original RTR, for crying out loud. Look at this thing. No worries, buddy. That's why they call it the big pig. 1, 2, 3.
Well, now you got matching sides. Uh-huh. You all right? Yeah. Not much fun? Pop the fan.
Yeah, main thing is don't get your leg under it.
I did. My foot was under it this time.
Oh, was it?
Ah. Fucking warms up quick.
When you're working, yeah.
Holy shit.
Absolutely.
Would you gas it in the rear come out on you?
No, I got scared shitty and...
Yeah. I'm not sure if this is the easier path or not. I haven't gone that way, so.
This is pretty. I mean, this is a little tiny hill, but up there it's flat and easy.
I was just trying to make my mind up.
Oh.
I'll ride the fucking thing up the hill then.
Want me to ride it?
Huh?
Oh, yes, sir.
Bike's up there. Big gear.
First might be too low and second might be too high. I think I'm going to try first. No, second then first. Right after that big cactus, I'll hit it down in first. Almost.
Yeah, that one last rock really threw you sideways.
Yeah.
Look.
Nice. That was tricky for him. That was good.
Yay or nay?
No. Yeah, there's like an incline, and yeah, that's why I came back, because I didn't want you to try
I
it.
wasn't going up there, even right there.
Yeah.
You guys.
Well, there's like a wire there, so you got to go around it, so it's kind of like steep, you know.
Nope. Well, I might have had enough today. You guys go have some fun. Because I can't do this shit. I can do the fucking main shit. Yeah, so good catch up with him. I'm good on here now.
Is this the main road right here?
This is it, yeah.
Well, just send us a text and let us know you got there all right.
You got your phone?
Yeah.
Because I got his.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I will.
I mean, it should be smooth. I mean, we can ride back if you want.
No, I'll be good.
Okay. All right, we're just going to go for a little bit and then we'll come back.
Sounds good.
That's the main road right there. He said he had enough, so he said he's going to ride back to the camp.
Really? Oh. That's a mining camp right there.
Does it keep going?
No, it ends there at the mining camp.
Damn it. There's got to be somewhere that goes somewhere else. It can't just all dead end.
Yeah, well, whatever you want to do. I'm pretty easy.
There's like so much good landscape to make trails, but nobody's made them.
Weird, isn't it?
like you got to make your own trail wherever you go.
No kidding. I see nothing.
I know.
Like you get stuff that goes up and then all of a sudden the end.
There might be a path that goes through over there, maybe. Does that look like a trail?
Sure. They all look like trails.
I'm going to try to go up that.
That wash there?
Yeah.
Sure.
Without taking out that red cactus.
Oh, you got to go around that.
Is it on?
Yes.
You want your apple or whatever, anything?
No, I got another one in here.
Okay.
I brought that for you guys.
This one's applesauce, I think by now. Warm it up, squish it around.
I almost went right in this hole.
That would be good. It's a big hole. A little hole.
Hey, can I borrow your push start?
Yep. You got it right now.